In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok unstable internet connection error in 2021. A lot of people are actually experiencing it currently, so here is how you can fix it. If you appreciate this video and me making it, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So here is how you can fix the unstable network connection. The first thing you want to make sure is that you actually obviously have a good Wi-Fi connection, that you're not connected to a VPN here or anything like this. You just want to have Wi-Fi. And if you have issues with your Wi-Fi, a good idea would be to actually reset your router. Another thing you can do is actually go down to TikTok until you find it, and you want to make sure you offload the app. Just like this, you click on general, you click on iPhone storage, you click on TikTok, and you want to make sure you offload the app right here. This will basically reset the settings, and then you can reinstall it again. Another thing is you can go over down to TikTok. You want to click on TikTok, and you want to make sure you actually have mobile data on here. And if none of this fixes it, maybe it's a connection issue for the servers or something that TikTok knows. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to type in TikTok, and you want to make sure there's no update function right here. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.